Kidney yadabadagi Chahi Nipan Chupna Dialysis Touduna Lakhiba Alabama dagi Nupi ama mamang thada OK kidney transplant Toukhre matungda hauzik yamna phibam phagale hairi Nupi adugi mamingna Touduna Luni kawi mahak ase gene editing tauraba OK organ transplant tauba mangasuba American amani hairi mamang dadi OK kidney natraga heart transplant tauraba matungda patient sing tha anigi manungda sikhi hairi adubu Touduna Luni di mamangi patient singumna ngamdaba oide hairi Luni ase kidney transplant tauraba matung numit 13 ni leiraga hospital dagi discharge tauki hairi mahaki hidak thaba adu chayol asida mahak hospital da amuk emet tauki Nupi ase tha ahungi matungda Alabama da leiba masagi yumda putharagani haina thajanari hairi OK kidney adu fail oirakwa tarabadi mahaki dialysis amuk hauba yagani haina doctor singh na haiki.
She's received the transplant at just the right time before we get into the really long-term morbidity of dialysis. And this is really the only possibility for her to have a transplant.
Okay, thanks.
I didn't have any other options. This was my last option due to the fact that my blood had 100% antibodies. So that left me not able to accept a human kidney.
And basically what that means is it's really, really hard, almost impossible to find a completely compatible transplant. And we had tried everything. Started talking to Miss Looney about a pig kidney.
And now I'm taking the clamp off the artery, and it should be nice and pink. Yeah,
Yeah,
beautiful. Gorgeous. It looks beautiful.
It was remarkable. The kidney pinked up and looked just like a human kidney. It made urine within just a few minutes. And by the time we saw her that evening, we all noticed it. It's this miraculous change that these patients get after a transplant. They get this rosiness in their cheeks. They look alive. And she continues to do fabulous, and I think is really enjoying having a kidney that works.
Thank you for not giving up on me.
Never. Never. We said we were in it to win it, didn't
yes, we did.
Didn't we pinky swear?
Yes.
Did we have to? We did. I think we did. I think we did.